Okay, yeah, so today I have one of my friend Hassan. So he's gonna break down everything what he uses for his own company, for his marketing agency, on how to get leads on Instagram. And he sends about 40 to 50 DMs per day on one account because you don't want to overdo it like I mentioned before in my previous video. You want to just focus on one account and then get more accounts. You can buy more accounts. So it's going to show you the whole automation. And there's like four ways where you can go from this is you can get all the leads that you have, like which is usernames, and you can import it in there and then send it through there. Or if you know like one of your competitors, he has all your leads, you can just go on their follower list, capture the leads, and then send it to there. So I'm not gonna talk anymore, and Hassan's gonna take it from there.
All right, boys. The first thing you got to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Not Ali to mine. Go to
Yeah, and his
mine. Not
YouTube
just
channel as
joking.
well. I'll link
So
it down
give
below.
subscribe to his channel. He gives a lot of value for free.
And also, guys, like the best part about this is like, so I'm gonna be asking him questions as well. So it's like the same question that you guys might have as well. So that's why it's better, like more of a Zoom meeting where both of us are talking at the same time.
You all can see my screen.
Yeah, yeah, we could see it.
All right, it's time to make some money from Instagram DMs. Let's go. Okay, guys. So the first thing you're gonna need is the scrape list. Then I'll go over the software which does it for you. You know, if you want to make $10,000 a month, then you need to break down the energy that you need to be working on that will enable you to make that much money, right? So if you send around 30 messages a day, if you send 30 messages to your prospects every day, you will make $10,000 a month. But you will only make $10,000 a month. That's another catch. You know, it's
Mm.
not like you're gonna make more than that because your energy is very low. The response you're gonna get is probably like maybe let's say one or two leads per day. So like this, you're gonna nurture them, you're gonna have so over a period of time, you will make like six figures. But obviously, if you double your outreach, if you double your channels. Let's say if you were only doing Instagram DMs, now you started doing Facebook, you started doing cold calling, you started doing warm outreach, all the stuff, the good stuff that Ali already taught you. If you've done all that stuff, obviously you're gonna make more money, right? So the thing that I'm gonna show in this video is sending. If you ever done sending messages, it's very boring, and if you don't see results after 2 3 days, you just feel like this is not working. But that's not true. I'm gonna show you with proof. Instagram DMs do work, but only thing that matters is consistency. So that's why I got this one software. It does it for me. It sends messages on autopilot, so I don't have to worry about outreach on Instagram. So let me show you the software. This is the software. Another thing is when you're using this software, it's called Auto IGTM. It has a founder. He has, let me show you. The founder of this software, he has uh, tutorials, videos on how to use this software. I recommend watching all his videos. Just type Auto IGTM. Um, Auto IGTM. Yeah.
So this
And
guy,
then
like he has his own like YouTube channel.
yeah, so he has his own YouTube channel, like how to send 500 DMs per day on autopilot, stuff like that. So just check him out. He has videos around how to use this software, but I'll quickly go over this anyway. So this is a software. It's called Auto IGTM. So the first thing you do is here create a template. This is a messages that you're gonna be sending to whoever your niche is, right? So let's say I'm sending it to restaurant business. So here you type your intro. You can also add one more. So like this, if you it's gonna be like variation, right? So if you add one more, it's for intro, for some of the messages, he's gonna send this, and the other is gonna send like whatever I write here.
Yeah, I
The
mean the more
reason,
variations,
yeah.
the better it is.
And another benefit of that is Instagram won't suspect that it's a bot sending messages. If it's the same message being sent over and over again, Instagram might think, okay, something suspicious. So with variation, you can also kind of hack the algorithm. So write your bodies, your offers, whichever one is working for you. For me, what I find is when you're sending messages on Instagram DMs, the first thing they look at is your profile. It's not just about sending messages. The person you sent the message, he's gonna click on your profile. Who is this guy? He's gonna look at your videos. If you, I mean, you definitely gotta have at least 9 posts. Have some value, make content if you're in the agency space, and also try to get the blue check too. If you can, it puts your message on top. So I have that as well. I think in US you can pretty much get it for like $9 a month, something like that. It's very cheap and it gets you way more value.
Yeah.
So after writing this, you can create tags as well. The I'll recommend watching the YouTube tutorials. He'll go in detail. The tags are important if you want to do like follow-ups. So let's say if I sent to 100 or 1,000 different usernames and I tagged restaurant owners, Muslim foodies, that's the influencer I used to send to. I'll go over in a minute what I mean by that. Then the people who didn't open my message, I can send them a retargeting campaign with messages on the same usernames.
Wait, I
Okay.
have a question. Wait, for tags, right? So
Yeah.
let's say like if you're in a specific industry, so let's say if I'm doing hair salons, so I'll just put hair salons there for tags.
For tags, it's just for you to know that who you're sending messages, right? So it's about the list you're sending. For example, if I got my list, let me show you. So this is the list I'm currently sending to. So you see all these usernames? There's
Yeah.
like more than 3,000. I've already, like, it's been like few months and I only sent it to like around 1,200 or like stuff like that. And these are all the users. Another thing is a short hack. There is, I forgot how to do this. Actually, yeah. So you need to, when you write all the usernames, let's say whatever the software used to scrape the usernames, come to Google Sheets and you gotta put this equation, which is equals concatenate something, and then you're gonna put these commas. So the usernames, it has to have the comma
Mm.
next to it. That's how the software knows that this is one username and then separates with the other one.
I mean,
Okay, so just
yeah, got it. I mean,
you
so
don't want
the
to do it
point,
manually. It's gonna be like a lot of work. So just use it for one and then you drag it down, it does it for all the usernames.
but I have a question because look, so the point of doing like the concatenate is so
Just to
like
separate it. Look, like you see over here, that's the username,
yeah.
right? Over here, it just has a comma next to it.
So what's it different? Why can't just copy the like the username and just paste it?
Because when you paste it, the algorithm, some like the software won't know that it's one account and then it's not
Oh,
separated.
okay.
It's
So
just
pretty
for
much
that.
what he
Yeah.
means is that when you're pasting all these the usernames, you can't paste it without the commas.
Yeah. So if you
Okay,
look at
got
this,
it.
so I would take, for example, I should just show you live how it works. If
Got it.
if
Now
this
it makes
thing
sense.
if this thing doesn't shut on me, so I take these. I mean, I'll go over a minute how I got. I mean, I think Ali already told you how to get the username. So let's say I copy these. Another thing is you need a different browser. So you need a different browser, create a different browser on Chrome, and have the only purpose for that is to send IG DMs. And then you can have this thing running on the background, go open your other Safari or other browser and work on there. So this is another thing. If you download this software and it's not working, it's because you did not have a new browser. You need a new browser. It happened
So
to me. Yeah.
so you're saying that when I'm capturing leads, it should be from a different different profile, and then when I'm sending it through auto
No, no, no,
IGD,
no, 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 not that, not that. You see how I have like 4 different browsers?
yeah,
One, two, three, four.
yeah.
So you need, this is called automation. So I created a Google Chrome browser just for this purpose. You need
Okay,
one
okay.
just for this. Yeah. It's just
Makes
that.
sense, makes sense.
Yeah. So then I took their, so there are 4 options, right? Accounts, hashtags, posts, and then the list. List is where you just copy and paste. I think with account, if you put the account here, I'm assuming if I put Hermosi, right? Everyone who Hermosi, the followers of Hermosi, this software will send them messages. So let's say if you're into like selling these entrepreneurs, right? It's a big market, like the education market. People who want to become entrepreneurs like Hermosi, he's selling them school. So if you want to send messages to them, it's on autopilot. You just put whatever the influencer you feel like your target market is looking up to. If it's real estate, probably Grant Cardone, a lot of real estate guys follow him. So you can just put his name and then the software will go itself and do
Yeah.
it. The other is hashtags. So let's say hashtag real estate
Salon
agent,
owners.
hashtag salon owners, hashtag restaurant owner. So it will find all those and then send it for you. The post, I never used it. Never, I mean, I probably forgot because I never used it. Something related, you probably put a post and then it sends this to, I didn't check on this one, honestly. So this is the one that I frequently use, list. So I just put all these usernames, copy pasted, and then you have there's also two other options. The one is only new and the one is only messages. So if you have checked these, it means you always want to have this thing checked, which means that it would only send messages to new accounts. So if you already send it to someone before, it won't send it to that one. And only messages mean that it will only send a message. If you don't have this checked, it will also follow that account first and then send them a message. So like
Mm.
this, the one that you send message, they get two notifications. One is, hey, Ali just followed you, and then Ali sent you a message. But when I started doing that, I was following like a lot of accounts. So then I just, okay, no, I'm not following nobody. I'm just like only sending them messages. But if you
Got
want,
it.
you can test them both, whichever one you want to do it. So after that, you just hit start and it starts sending messages. Let's see if it does it in real time, or it's gonna humiliate me in front of Ali's followers.
Uh-huh.
So you see, I just hit start and then this software opened my Instagram browser and oh, Sugar Tree Cafe contacted me. It's doing it itself. You see all the usernames, the software is gonna type. You seeing
Oh
this, Ali?
wow. It's like coding.
Yeah. It typed it, now it's gonna start chat. So now what pretty much I do is after putting that thing in, now all the message in the text template I showed you, now it's gonna type all of that all by itself. And after it's done, oh, actually, there's another thing I forgot to tell you. So pretty much it's everything automated. Now the software is gonna type the message. Um, look, who I'm sound like reading it.
Nice.
Yeah, open chat, send, done. So another thing I wanted to tell you though was the timing is also important. Uh, if you see here, minimum delay 120 to 170. These are the seconds after it can send another message. So the default is around 220. When you will first get the software, it will tell you after 220 seconds, it can send another message. The reason for that, you don't want to have the minimum delay too low. If you keep sending messages after a very short period, Instagram is might block your account.
Yeah.
Okay. So you
Yeah, because
wanna
obviously because they don't want any bots on the accounts. That's why.
they don't want bots on the account. So start with like 220, send like 20, 30 messages a day. I started with like 20 messages a day. Now I increase the capacity around 50 per account. Uh so yeah. So now let me show you, does this even work or not? Actually, I should have a affiliate link, bro. I should make money off you guys. It's just
Mhm.
joking, man. Not really. Okay. So you said like this guy, this is a business. All like most of my messages, I have a like professional account. These are the people who reach back to me, and these are the people who said they were interested. There are still leads like, hey, yes, open the chat. Hey, please email. I first send someone asked how much was the price. Sure, let's chat. Please let us know how it works. As of right now, probably not just to Instagram path, whatever. So these were all the leads that I got sending those DMs. Look how many are there.
Yeah.
Like I still gotta follow up with these guys. These
Yeah,
were
it's
the guys who
more.
were interested.
Yeah. And like, how long have you been doing this for, Hassan?
I've been doing it for like months now.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I wasn't very consistent using a software, even though I was paying $40 a month for this every month. Um, I got so many other things to do, but like, these were, if you can only get one client from this, it pays for itself. I don't know why I'm promoting that software. Maybe because because it's working. Like, guys, there's no affiliate link. I'm not getting paid like a 0 cent for this.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to find an affiliate link for you. I'm gonna reach out to them if they have any affiliates.
Nah, you guys good. But if you do want, send me referrals for if you know anyone who has a business, it's a restaurant owner, whatever, send them my way. So
Yeah, yeah. I'll put your Instagram down in the description, put everything down below so they go follow you as well on Instagram.
yeah. So that's the software. Hope you guys liked it. If you Ali, you show them like how to get the scrape list and all that, right?
Yeah, yeah. So I showed them in my video yesterday. I posted it, so everything is all good for them, and you guys could use that to get the leads. I mean, there's
Mhm.
multiple ways you guys could scrape leads if you go on YouTube, but the one I showed it was for free. Takes less than 5 minutes. You could scrape that. Once you guys scrape that, you import
Which
it.
one, which one you told them?
I told them about the like I'll share my screen.
I use this one first, like Growman IG email extractor. This one,
No, I showed them
also
because
good.
the one I use is called Simple Scraper.
Yeah, there's a lot of them actually. There's a lot of software they can use.
Yeah, the one.
There's also one, I was looking back. There's also one where you can scrap people from Facebook groups, your leads. That's also huge.
Do what?
You can scrap the list of people from Facebook groups. So let's say you go to salon owners, all those lists you can scrap it.
No way.
And
Like emails or what?
they're like profiles, everything.
No way. And can you like have like instead of IG DM, do you have like a Facebook
There's
DM?
there's there's also another software which does it on Facebook, but it wasn't that good. So I didn't try it. Look
Guys, like
into it.
I'm like subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see another video of like Hassan doing it for like Facebook groups where he
Facebook is
scrapes.
crazy actually, yeah.
Yeah.
If you
Because
can get
those
your money.
leads are are more qualified because the people that are in those groups are looking for help. Think about it. Like if it says salon
Yeah,
owners with marketing or help and you scrape those leads and then you hit those people up through DM, like your chances of conversion is like 50% more now.
yeah. And this is the software you can use. Oh, I'm giving it away again. It's called Group Extractor.
Yeah.
So it's just a free, and so you can install it on your home.
And
So
the group extractor is for Facebook groups.
yeah, so
Like
Facebook
yeah.
group.
He posts content on Instagram as well. So
I
check
mean, I
him out.
do, but guys, I'll be real with you. I'm too busy making money, So now I'm actually like I've done all of this stuff. Now what I'm more into is like cold calling. So I just hired a girl from Pakistan yesterday. So right now, if you look at what I was doing before Ali hit me up, was I was looking at cold calling softwares. Um, this is the one that was. Did I put my billing information? No, thank God I did it yet. So I was buying this software so they can call from Pakistan. Um, so yeah, I mean, guys, another thing is I want to give you a good tip. Okay, it's all good stuff. You want to have automations for all of that, but think about it this way. You want to like right now, I mean, I would imagine not even anyone sending these messages on Instagram or Facebook because it's so boring. People don't want to do the boring work. So if you do that, you're pretty good. But if you do the hard work, which is cold calling, no one is willing to do that. You're gonna have much better response rate, even better grow some balls going in person. Uh, so this is my advice to you guys. Till next time.